my friend, yaar. Where is he? Oh.
Lakshya Mukherjee, please.
Haan ji. Hello.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Everybody has been talking about Kill. Now that it's a huge hit, but next, what are you going to do? It's again an action or something else?
I'll let you know very soon. I'm working on announcing it rightly. So give me a week or two. I'll let you know.
Just weekend.
Very soon. हो गया almost.
It is known as the most violent film made in Bollywood so far.
Yes.
And it's taken action a notch higher.
Thank you.
So what is it about your experience with the film that you remember the most challenging aspect of this film for you?
The entire film. I mean, what aspect was not challenging? Ask me that. And every day I used to come home bruised and swollen in different parts of my body. There came a point when I forgot which is the real bruise and which is the fake bruise because of the makeup and all. So yeah, the whole process was very taxing, but I'm glad that it all panned out very well, and I'm getting the recognition and the
Was this
importance that I want.
skepticism because it's your first film also to do something so intense?
I didn't choose this, honestly. It came my way and I just grabbed it. I was hungry and I just ate the biggest meal of my life.
Laksh, how was it with Raghav Juel?
Superb, yeah, he's a fun guy. He's one of our closest friends in the city right now, and it's amazing to work with him.
Great. If you had to describe it in one word, what would it be?
Zindagi Zindabad.
Alright. Thank you,
An
Laksh.
actor an actress you would want to see, you would want to work with in the future.
Actress? Alia Bhatt.
Why so?
She's great, yeah. That's why.
How is it working in Dhaba? The band.
It's great, yeah. I mean, my producer is over there. तो अच्छी बात ही बोलूँगा. No, I'm just kidding. But I think it's all the more amazing because I was supposed to get launched by Hindustan. It didn't happen. There was a long wait, and throughout that wait, these guys were there. They held my hand. They let me go anywhere. They took care of me like my parents, and I'm so glad that they are my producers. Thank you. I was moving. Yeah.
मैं पिछले 2 घंटे से वहाँ पहुँचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
It's okay, sir. 5 और minutes. Just 5 minutes.
Kidding me? Come on.
Come on. Arshad sir, we are at IFA Abu Dhabi this year.
Yeah.
And we've seen a lot of movies. When we talked about movies last year as well, we see a lot of pan-Indian movies also that have come. What do you have to say as an actor about this language barrier being fizzled out?
Sorry, language barrier pirated. What do you mean?
नहीं fizzled out. मतलब वो language barrier निकल गया.
ये वाला? ये वाला? हाँ, नहीं मैं समझा नहीं आपका. Piracy मैंने सुना.
Not piracy.
Language barrier अभी मिट रहा है. So what do you have to say
From the
about that?
movies.
From the movies, basically. It's not like anymore की हिंदी फिल्म fraternity है. The South movie.
Oh, that is a very good thing. That is a very good thing. That should have happened long time back. Me personally ना मुझे जब भी कोई बॉलीवुड लॉलीवुड बोलता है मुझे गुस्सा आता है. मैंने कई लोगों को करेक्ट कर चुका हूँ. बोला कि भैया ये इंडिया फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है और मैंने हमेशा उस तरह से देखा है. मेरे लिए when you have the whole country, we all are in it together, and that's how I look at it. My competition is with the rest of the world. It's not amongst each other, and that should not happen. And I'm so happy today that you have the entire fraternity, all different languages coming together and really making a movie. Like when I'm inshallah going to direct someday, I really want to cast everybody, whoever fits my role. I don't care the language; it's immaterial. It's absolutely doesn't matter. Oh, that's taken in a wrong sense. It's okay. See, everybody has their own point of view, and people like to make a little bit of noise. I spoke about a character, not the person. Not the person. He is a brilliant actor, and he's proved himself over and over again. We know about it. But when I give a bad character to a good actor, it's heartbreaking for the audience. It's coming out April, I think. Lovely. I love him, yeah. Adorable. I don't hate anything about Akshay. I think I love him because he's he's a very together person. He likes the whole unit to be together, and he's a very giving actor. He's too interested in his work. He loves his job. He keeps doing. He just wants to do more and more. I love the guy. He's very good to work with. मुन्ना भाई 3 की बातें हुई हैं, शायद हो जाएगा.
Thank you. अब आप लोगों ने तो कल बात कर ली ना मुझसे, तो फिर अभी कुछ Sorry? Have a good evening. Yeah, thank you. I'm looking forward to breakfast.
I have to ask you this.
Yes.
When have you seen the making of 12th Fail?
It's releasing on 13 December. You're the first people to ask me this, and you're the first people to know this answer.
Sir, congratulations on the success of the film. You know, recently while I was talking to Vikrant, he was telling me that working with you is like working with an institution. What do you have to say about Vikrant?
Well, he's one of the finest actors I've worked with. And see, I am not an easy guy to work with. He must have told you that. I work very hard. And I strive for excellence like a crazy man. I think every film that I make, or, finally, what is going to be left behind? I'm 72, I'm not going to stay around too long. My cinema is going to outlive me. So my cinema should actually be even better than who I am. I strive to do that. So I'm tough on actors, on myself, on everyone. So if Vikrant is saying good things about me, I'm really
Was he
grateful.
the first choice for the film?
Yes, he was. I had a big problem because see, I couldn't cast a so-called Hindi film star in this film. The film would look fake. So I had to look for an actor who could have this range of emotion. And he was amazing. He lost 8 kgs. He did crazy things, as you know. But
So when you
yeah.
say you work hard for your project, we see those finer details in your movie as well. Right where, it's been spoken before as well, the chapping of his lips and stuff and all when he's up in the hills and stuff and all. So
When he's up where?
Vikrant, when he's walking upstairs,
Yes.
up on the hill, then his lips are chapped.
Yes,
That's
totally.
a natural thing that happens.
Yes.
So those are the finer details that we see in your movie. What makes you look for these kind of key details when you're seeing it, doing it?
Well, what I think frankly, I wonder why others don't look for it. It's like now I'm talking to you, you asked me a question, I didn't get it, I asked you. This is what happens naturally. But if this happened in a movie, the director would say, cut, okay, one more time, you fumble. But fumbling is natural. So for me, what I do, I think everybody should do. Everybody should strive for excellence. They should not make movies just to make money and win awards. You know?
Lapada Ladies has made it to the Oscars. What do you
I am very happy. Any film that makes it to the Oscars makes me very happy. Yes.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
Kabir sir,
हाँ हाँ यहाँ खड़ा रहूँ यहाँ खड़ा रहूँ ठीक है ओके
easily look at.
जी
So, Kabir sir, firstly, Chandu Champion was loved by the audiences.
Thank you.
And but somewhere the film was still not critically that acclaimed.
जी
So, what is going wrong with you and sports dramas because you're the same guy who gave us Chakde.
No, firstly, I'm not the guy who gave you Chak De. The character was named after me, Kabir Khan. That was Shimit's film. No, but I think, for me, it's about being able to deliver a film that I truly believe in, something that I passionately believe that this is a story I want to work on for the next year. And then I do a lot of research and, bring that story to life. And with both 83 and with Chandu Champion, these are two films that I should always be very, very proud of because it's connected very, very deeply with the audiences and the kind of love we continue to get from it, the appreciation we continue to get for it. Just 2 days ago, the gold medalist from the Paralympics, spoke at a platform and said that that's the film he watched while going to Paris and that motivated him. I mean, what more can I ask for, as a filmmaker? I think that's the kind of appreciation one really seeks out for your film.
Kabir sir,
Is there something you can tell us about Karthik? How was working with him?
It was lovely. I think Karthik is an extremely hardworking boy. The kind of commitment he gave for this character especially was unique. It's not easy to commit 1.5 years of your time and then learn skills like boxing and, swimming and then do a body transformation or that.
Kabir sir, you have worked with a lot of stars. Who is that one star you think that you enjoyed working with?
Oh, I've enjoyed. See, for me, the process is very important. The process, the journey of making the film is extremely important. I've enjoyed working with all of them, whether it's John, whether it's... I can't choose one person and say who do I enjoy the journey. I enjoyed the journey with all of them, and they're all spectacular actors. Whether it's Ranveer or Salman or Karthik or John, or Arshad, Irfan, Nawaz. I mean, these are people I've really enjoyed working with. Katrina. For this particular role, it was his youthfulness. I needed the character to, be depicted from the age of 18 to 25, and I just felt he had that youthfulness. He had that naivety of a son of a soil who then turns on, goes on to become a world champion, and he had it. And I decided that I want to work with him for this. Thank you. Thank you. Ji.
Sir, आजकल pre-release का culture चल रहा है.
There is a small mic just ahead.
आजकल री-रिलीज का कल्चर चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर आपको शोले कभी फिर से बने तो आप कौन दो एक्टर्स को उसमें दिखाना चाहोगे?
अमिताभ बच्चन एंड धर्मेंद्र.
बट जो नए जनरेशन के एक्टर्स
अमिताभ बच्चन एंड धर्मेंद्र. उनसे बेटर कोई हो सकता हो? तो फिर तो हाउ कैन आई गिव यू 2 names?
बट वो गब्बर सिंह
अमजद खान.
Ramesh sir, we've seen a lot of movies. Now, when we say Indian movie, right, we speak about Indian movies from across South and
Everywhere.
Everywhere. How do you think that change, this change as a filmmaker at this point of view? What do you feel of it?
I think it's wonderful. All across the country, from Mumbai to Tamil Nadu, with Hyderabad and the Malayalam industry also in between, and to the east, Bengal. Everywhere there are filmmakers making very good films. They have always made, and I think they're an inspiration to each other. The South at the moment is really running hot and coming up with lots of wonderful films, lots of wonderful material, and it's an inspiration that Mumbai, you better catch up.
Absolutely. So you've seen a lot of stars back then as well, But if you have to define stardom and one actor in the recent generation, who would that be?
Ranbir Kapoor,
And an actress?
Alia Bhatt.
Any particular reason behind this power couple?
They're just too good. I mean, they've taken the right opportunities, they've been offered the right opportunities, and they've taken them and made something of their own, added so much of their own personalities into it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Nora, can you do the mic, please? Please, Nora, please.
Nora, please, Nora.
Hi.
Nora, thank you.
I hosted yesterday, I lost my voice. So thank you. I hope you'll have a great night.
Just one question.
It'll be awesome, promise.
करते या हाँ
We have been working in South industry and in cinema also. How do you look at the evolution that has happened of South cinema and the acceptance that they have started getting there?
Well, I think they always had the acceptance and they always had the popularity. It's just that it's become seamless now across borders. I think South cinema was always huge. A lot of people watched those films on Setmax and Sony Max, right? So there was always reach. But I think what's happened with the onset of OTT and with the digital revolutionization, that it's become one platform where you celebrate Indian cinema across the language barriers. So no language barrier. And I think it's amazing because for me that's really a matter of great pride. Yeah, we are shooting right now. Very good. Sorry.